Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Denise Glam Style Living. Today, I am participating in a Tablescape Tuesday open collaboration, and this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Light DIY Home Decor, and her special guest this week is Pure Elegance by Kim. The theme is the beach. Please go to the ladies' channels and show them some love and support. I will link their channel and the playlist in the description box below. Welcome to my Sea of Love Beach and Coastal Tablescape, featuring shades of blue. Please come in, relax, unwind, and enjoy the white sandy beach, the beautiful rays of the sunshine, and the delicious cocktail of your choice. no-spin Tablescape. All my decor pieces was already in my stash and ready to be decorated. Starting with my lovely tablecloth from Home Goods to my beautiful plate settings from Burlington to my gorgeous floral arrangement, and all my florals was purchased from Amazon, Hobby Lobby, and Michaels. My fabulous wine glasses was purchased from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. My elegant chargers came from Z Gallery. And my gold flatware was purchased from Hobby Lobby. I think this table turned out absolutely stunning and just perfect for the summer. Don't you agree? I hope you enjoyed my Sea of Love Beach and Coastal Tablescape featuring shades of blue. If so, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new video. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you so very much for all your love, your kindness, and support. You are so amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to share me out because I'm on the road to 3K and it helps my channel to grow. Thank you, ladies, for this awesome collaboration and all the participants. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.